Welcome back to Tech Cloud Solutions. This is part 3 of AZ-900 preparation. Congratulations to one of our learner who just passed AZ-900 certification. Next could be you. Question 11. Which Azure service should you identify to enforce Azure Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, based on a condition? Select the correct option. The options are A. Azure Security Center, B. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD Identity Protection, C. Azure Advanced Threat Protection, ATP, D. Azure Monitor. This question tests your understanding of conditional enforcement of MFA in Azure, meaning MFA is required only when specific conditions are met, like risky sign-in, specific location, or user behavior. You need to identify which service can detect risk conditions and then automatically enforce MFA as a remediation action. The correct answer is Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, Identity Protection. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, Identity Protection is designed to detect, investigate, and remediate identity-based risks by using risk-based conditional access policies that can automatically enforce MFA when risky sign-ins or user behaviors are detected. It evaluates risk signals like unfamiliar locations, anonymous IP addresses, malware-linked IPs, and leaked credentials, then applies automated responses such as requiring MFA or blocking access. You can configure MFA registration policies and risk-based policies to enforce MFA based on specific conditions, making it the ideal service for conditional MFA enforcement. Why the other options are incorrect. Azure Security Center, A, now Microsoft Defender for Cloud, focuses on security posture management and threat protection for Azure resources, not identity-based conditional MFA enforcement. Azure Advanced Threat Protection, C, now Microsoft Defender for Identity, detects threats and suspicious activities in on-premises Active Directory environments, not conditional MFA enforcement in Azure. Azure Monitor, D, is for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from Azure resources for performance and health monitoring, not for enforcing identity protection policies or MFA. Quick memory tip. Remember, identity protection equals risk-based MFA. When you need to enforce MFA based on conditions or risk signals, think Azure AD Identity Protection. If this video is helping you, support us by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Question 12. Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Which of the following is something that Azure Cognitive Services API can currently do? Select all correct answers. The options are A, recognize text in an image, B, create text from audio, C, speak text in an extremely realistic way, D, recognize faces in a picture. This question tests your knowledge of Azure Cognitive Services capabilities across vision, speech, and language APIs. You need to identify which AI-powered features are actually available in Azure Cognitive Services, now part of Azure AI Services. The correct answer is all the provided options are correct. All 4 options are capabilities of Azure Cognitive Services. Why each option is correct? Recognize text in an image. A, Computer Vision API includes OCR capabilities to extract printed and handwritten text from images and documents. Create text from audio. B, Azure Speech Services includes speech-to-text functionality that converts spoken language into written text with high accuracy. Speak text in an extremely realistic way. C, Neural text-to-speech provides lifelike synthetic voices that sound natural and human-like across multiple languages. Recognize faces in a picture. D, Face API can detect, identify, and analyze human faces, including attributes like age, emotion, and facial landmarks. Quick memory tip. Remember, vision plus speech face equals full cognitive suite. Azure Cognitive Services covers seeing OCR face, hearing, speech to text, and speaking, text to speech. Question 13. You need to identify the content of product images to automatically create alt tags for images formatted properly. Which Azure service is the best candidate? The options are A, Azure IoT Hub, B, Azure Cognitive Services, C, Azure Machine Learning, D, Azure Bot Service. This question tests your understanding of which Azure service can automatically analyze image content and generate descriptive text for accessibility purposes like alt tags. Alt tags require understanding what's in the image and describing it in natural language, a task that needs AI-powered image analysis and captioning. The correct answer is Azure Cognitive Services. Azure Cognitive Services, specifically the Computer Vision Image Analysis API, is the best service for automatically identifying image content and generating alt tags. It provides image captioning that generates human-readable descriptions of image content and image tagging that automatically creates descriptive tags identifying objects, scenes, and concepts within images. These pre-trained AI models can detect objects, recognize scenes, extract text via OCR, and generate natural language descriptions, all the capabilities needed to create properly formatted alt tags automatically. Why the other options are incorrect. Azure IoT Hub A is designed for connecting, monitoring, and managing IoT devices at scale, not for image analysis or content recognition. Azure Machine Learning C is a platform for building, training, and deploying custom ML models, which would require significant development effort compared to the ready-to-use computer vision API in cognitive services. Azure Bot Service D is for building conversational AI chatbots and virtual assistants, not for analyzing images or generating alt tags. Quick memory tip. Remember, image description, cognitive services vision. When you need to automatically describe or tag image content for alt text, think Azure Cognitive Services Computer Vision. Question 14. Which Azure configuration prevents Azure-level machine updates in the same availability zone from being down at the same time? Select the correct option. The options are A. Load balancing, B. Availability zone, C. Update domain, D. Fault domain. This question tests your understanding of Azure's planned maintenance strategy and which configuration ensures VMs are updated in a staggered way to avoid downtime. The key phrase is prevents machines from being down at the same time during updates. You need the mechanism that sequences updates across groups of VMs. The correct answer is update domain. Update. Domains are logical groups of VMs and underlying physical hardware that Azure uses to sequence planned maintenance and updates. During planned maintenance, only one update domain is rebooted at a time, ensuring that at least some of your VMs remain available while others are being updated. Azure automatically assigns VMs to update domains, up to 20 in Azure Resource Manager, and a restarted update domain gets 30 minutes to recover before the next update domain is restarted. This staged approach minimizes downtime and keeps your application running during Azure platform updates. Why the other options are incorrect. Load balancing. A. Distributes incoming network traffic across multiple VMs for performance and redundancy, but does not control update sequencing or maintenance schedules. Availability zone, B, provides physical separation across data centers within a region for protection against data center failures. And while Azure updates zones one at a time, the question specifically asks about configuration within a zone. Fault domain, D, protects against hardware failures by distributing VMs across different physical racks with separate power and network, but does not control planned maintenance sequencing. Quick memory tip. Remember, update domain update sequencing. When the question mentions preventing simultaneous updates or planned maintenance, think update domains. Question 15. Your company has several business units. Each business unit requires 20 different Azure resources for daily operation. All the business units require the same type of Azure resources. You need to recommend a solution to automate the creation of Azure resources. What should you include in the recommendations? The options are A. Azure Blueprints, B. Azure Resource Manager Templates, C. Virtual Machine Scale Sets, D. Management Groups. This question tests your understanding of Azure automation for repetitive resource deployments where multiple business units need identical sets of resources. The key phrase is same type of Azure resources deployed repeatedly. You need a solution that creates consistent, repeatable deployments automatically. The correct answer is Azure Resource Manager Templates. Azure Resource Manager ARM templates are JSON files that define infrastructure as code, enabling you to automate the creation of Azure resources in a consistent and repeatable manner. With ARM templates, you can define all 20 resources once and then deploy the same template multiple times for each business unit, ensuring identical configurations every time. ARM templates are idempotent. Deploying the same template multiple times produces the same result. Declarative. You describe what you want, not how to build it, and support modular design for reusable components. This makes them ideal for scenarios where multiple business units need identical resource sets. Why the other options are incorrect. Azure Blueprints, A, are used for defining and deploying entire governance environments, including policies, roles, and templates, which is more complex than just automating resource creation. Virtual machine scale sets, C, are specifically for scaling identical VMs up or down automatically, not for deploying diverse sets of 20 different Azure resource types. Management groups, D, are organizational containers for managing governance, policies, and compliance across multiple subscriptions, not for automating resource deployment. Quick memory tip. Remember, same resources repeatedly equals ARM templates. When you need to deploy identical resource sets multiple times across different units, ARM templates are the automation solution. To get the free PDF or mock test, comment PDF or mock or both. I will share the downloadable link within the next 24 hours.